How was the audition?
They're all the same. This guy wore his wedding ring. So gross.
Why is that gross?
Yeah, you're right.
You'll do better next time. I created an algorithm that searches for auditions for women in your age range. A lot of modeling opportunities.
Sean, thank you. I'd love to be going for other parts.
Just want you to make it. Okay, too much.
You know, it's tough making it to all my auditions if I'm seeing you in between. Maybe we shouldn't see each other my work nights anymore.
I didn't know. I'm sorry.
No, it's fine.
You'll get a great role someday. Look, student film, casting female in her 20s, good looking, to play a woman with a wounded past, multiple personalities. That could be you.
I think it is me. A joke. My next audition.
You could skip it.
If I do, Anton will find me. Somehow he always knows where I am. What are you doing?
Turning off your GPS.
That's how he tracks me?
Mm-hmm. I know some fun things we could do.
Okay. I'll grab my jacket, and then we'll have a fun time. I promise.